Learn Excel well to earn extra money. There are a lot of opportunities to earn extra money with the right knowledge of Excel. But one has to do it the right way. One important thing before you get started. Do hit the bell icon to subscribe and comment below to let us know what you want us to talk about next. Some important features in Excel that you must know well include conditional formatting, functions and formulas, pivot table and charts, advanced sort, filter, graphs and charts, data validation and lookup. Knowing these features well can help you make extra money through freelancing. Remember, customers will not pay you for simple work. Be ready to slog and work hard. Know that there is no easy money. Don't get misled by others claiming it is easy to make money with Excel. Learn before you can earn. Learn Excel well before bidding for work. Before bidding for work, ensure you have the right skills. One can learn Excel from different sources like Microsoft Videos, edX, Udemy. Other institutes like Palium Skills can help you acquire the right skills. Websites offer freelancing work on Excel. The popular websites offering work on Excel to freelancers are freelancer.in, guru.com, upwork.com, Fiverr, TopTel, Jubal, freelancer.com, Upwork, FlexJobs, Simply Hired. How it works. Step 1. Register yourself on each site. Step 2. List your skills and the categories in which you want to work. Step 3. Select admin, data, Excel etc. Step 4. Start bidding for projects. Step 5. Deliver the assigned work and get paid. Tips to work as freelancer. If you are a beginner and just starting to bid for work on these sites, remember a few things. There are freelancers who are already doing this work for past several years. It will be a challenge to compete with them. Keep initial charges low to ensure you gain experience and reference. Do a good job of the assigned work. The above two things will help build your reputation. If customers like your work, they will keep using your services. This will ensure regular work and increased income. To know more, call us +91 99031 30500 +91 90510 92035 033 4001 7947. WhatsApp us +91 99031 3050. Email info@paliumskills.com.